Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. Tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow compositors speaking, and it looks like I found two square or like kind of boxed areas that could potentially play out as a fractal that has taken place in the past. So let's explore this to see what we have. Welcome back, loyal family. And if you're new here, consider joining the family as we do the best that we can to understand the ebbs and the flows here in the market. Okay. So let's pull up the charts and yeah, let's explore what I have found. So let's dive into it, shall we? All right, so today's April the 19th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin, believe it or not, is going to be 33 cents. It's up approximately 4.6% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR Interesting Analysis. So, all right, so here's what I found. It's like a purple and a green box area, and it's labeled. Here it is. Yeah, that's it. Super simple. Ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at a green box. I already said that. And a purple like box rectangular range. And what we're going to do is compare what's taking place current day in the price activity with little Doge. And I think I found a potential range here. So we're looking at the 36 cent level all the way down to the 26 cent level. Okay, in order for us to understand what is going on here within this range, we have to go back in the past. We have to look left and see what has taken place in the past that could potentially play out again. So obviously the box, or the rectangular ranges rather, they look similar to what's taking place current price activity, current day, right? It appears that, of course, it found a range. What happened is I've just measured where the breakout. This is kind of the breakout where we measure that 440%. Let me know that. Check out the video. Hopefully, left a link for it. This is the 440% move out. Is how we were able to determine the most recent price action to like 43 cents. So this is why we're comparing this clustered area here of what could be taking place in the price activity current day. Okay, so let me just explain what I'm seeing here. So number one, this rectangular or kind of squared area on number one, it took place for, I think I measured like 12 days or something. So it took place for like 9 days. Sorry, so 9 days within this little rectangular little range here. Okay, so 9 days. Okay, but on the 6th day, there was actually a breakthrough attempt, if you can actually see that. So it broke up. Okay, retraced, found a floor, or like a range rather, right? Went up, excuse me, I went down, and then it had a higher low, and then it broke above the range. It got rejected and then broke out, if that makes sense. So it's basically, by the way, if you're kind of new here, we only look for like support, resistance, and patterns, higher highs and higher lows to find an uptrend, and vice versa to find a downtrend. And right now we're just simply showing what has taken place in terms of the higher highs and higher lows. So the price went up, and then we've already verified that it has a potential range, right, in the current day. Hopefully this is all going to make sense when we scoot on over to where we are. It went up, went down. Okay, that has happened as well. So the next two things that we'll be looking for on the price activity that's taken place present day is a potential rejection from the current level, higher low, and then a breakthrough. Okay, if you got that. And then, of course, from there, we'll just kind of assess what's taking place in the market to see if we can even measure this in terms of the green rectangular range, and also have a breakout into the purple number 2 square range there, if that makes sense. So let's just go on over to present day and see if we can kind of tie everything together. So let's just very briefly, before we go over there, what we're looking for, what we already have in terms of what we can measure. The break up, okay, in the green range, and find resistance at the top of the green rectangular range. It goes down and it finds a floor within the green range. It goes up, okay, it finds a lower high, okay, it gets rejected, finds a higher low, and then a breakthrough. That's the only thing we're kind of, I guess we're looking for a W, right? So let's go on over to present day and see if we can potentially measure. So hopefully that explanation was good enough kind of the second time, right? So that we could potentially see what could take place here. And then we're also going to get to the potential target overhead before we close out here in this purple range, assuming this is going to play out again. If it doesn't happen exactly, guys, please, leave me some room to make some errors here, right? I realized that was a pretty sweet call in the last call. Let me know down in the comment section with, like, I don't know, some emojis and a T within the emojis saying that, yeah, that's indicating that, yeah, we nailed that last call. Thank you for that. All right, so what we are looking for in this green rectangular range, of course, we have the very aggressive break up. You see that? Wow. Beautiful. thrust into the green rectangular range, get rejected, down, find a floor, okay? And then we go up, okay? And what are we looking for next? We're looking for a higher low, okay? And then a breakthrough. So we're looking for a W. And I think we measured out 6 days and 12 hours. If it doesn't happen exactly that way, that's just normal. I can never get the timing right. All right, so that would lead on over to April the 22nd, 2021, okay? Assuming that it actually plays out similar to as it has in the past. We'll kind of scoot this on over just a bit. And after number 2 is, the number 1, after the number 1 is complete or close to being completed, we'll have the W. But of course, we have to, again, wait till like April the 22nd to see how this is going to play out. Get the rejection, come down, and then break up, okay? This should lead the price over to, I realize this is kind of like not as high as many want to see a Dogecoin. Again, this could be incorrect, but we're looking at a price tag or cryptocurrency tag just under 50 cents, okay? So that's kind of the next level up or the stair up as Dogecoin continues to define or prove many incorrect about, the potential of this coin and continue to thrust and ease to the upside. And that's basically the target. The time frame, you have that. But again, if it doesn't like make the Wing, right? If it doesn't like make the Wing, I did measure, I think, a total of 9 days within the entire consolidative phase within this green range. It's going to be April the 25th, but I really don't like to leave you guys out with the millions of dates. Let's just let's leave it at the first practical, the first potential Wing to play out. So so the date is April the 22nd, 2021. That's the only date. Okay, if you guys take notes, again, we're just looking for that Wing, that thrust into the range here. Did I even say the range? I think I did. 36 cents. Yeah, we did. We covered that first. Okay, short-term memory loss, 26 cents. Yes, perfect. So we're looking for that up, potential rejection, down, higher, low, and then, of course, that W. That's the first thing we're looking for. That has potential. The date, April the 22nd, 2021. And let's close it out there. You have the overhead potential target. If the stairs are continuing to climb up just under 50 cents, this should all take place within this month. Let's let the Dogecoin play out as it's going to play out one way or the other. And that is all the information that I have for you. Wonderful for the Dogecoin army. And yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed that. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. And of course, leave a comment to support with the YouTube algorithm, or at least if it can recognize the channel in the videos. Thank you for that. And also, if you're new, we cover the traditional markets. If you're into stocks, if you're interested, we cover that 7 days a week. So join us here on this interesting journey and join the family. So that's it. Take care of yourselves. Be sure to have a strategy that is, again, required to be a part of this family. We'd love for you guys to be responsible out here in these markets and not overexpose yourselves in these assets. Okay, so have a strategy, please. So take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Of course, we're going to talk very soon. And that's it for now. And bye for now.